Welcome back to my channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video we're going to be doing 90s makeup look, and I got this inspiration from one of my favorite makeup artists. Her name is Gabrielle. I guess most of you know it's Gab XX Real, and I really love, she's super talented influencer and makeup artist. That's why I got my inspiration out of her reel, and we're recreating this together with my step-by-step explanation, and I hope you're gonna love it. In case you're interested how to get this makeup look, then please stay tuned and let's get started. Basically, for this makeup look, we're going to be needing not as much products as we usually need. I'm going to be using today my BH eyeshadow palette. You can go to any contour palette, bronzer palette at the same time. I guess most of you have like brown shades. Then I'll go with this black essence color. In case you have this in one eyeshadow palette, that's great. And then of course my NYX primer, mascara. I'm choosing like both of these options because one of this is half full, one of this is empty. And then I need my black pencil. That is pretty much it. I'll try to break down this makeup look as much as possible because it's quite heavy, it's quite a lot of blending, and I don't really know if I'm gonna be able to reduplicate it completely. But I really love this type of makeup looks, and it's trending that much that it got into an Instagram page, which is crazy and fantastic for an author to get the video on their original page. First and foremost, we're gonna start with priming my lid with NYX primer. I'm gonna grab a big and fluffy brush and use some warm brown shade, and I guess it's gonna be a mix of these two together. It's gonna be like a bronzer shade, and just place it all over my lid as a transition shade, and then blending out those eyeshadows. It's a little bit bright, that's why I'm going to a little bit softer shade to neutralize, going back and forth and with circular motions and creating sort of V shape in the outer corner. It's all set in place, and now I'm going to my black pencil. She has this creamy, waxy pencil. Okay, sorry, it's my cat. And I don't really have a waxy option. It's a little bit less creamy, I'd say. And I'm gonna start with the bottom of my lid. Okay, now we're going to the same technique, but for the upper lash line. It has to be thick as well. Here it is, here we are. We have SFX palette from Makeup Revolution. It's not gonna be my first ever choice, but we have black creamy shade, which is gonna be crazy looking, but I don't really need much. I'm gonna add a little bit of shape in the outer corner where my crease stops, probably even lower than the actual crease, and create sort of V shape. And then the same happens with this side, a little bit higher. I'm not really sure that I really need to blend this out with a finger. I guess my brush is gonna give a little bit more control. So I have to blend out this pencil. And in the outer corner. I feel like she does have a little bit of black color on top. I have a blending brush, some black eyeshadow, so I'm gonna grab a little bit of that. Tap off. I don't really think we need much. It's just a little bit to set my lid. And I want to cover my foundation with a piece of paper because you know how it works with black eyeshadows. One time you're looking fine, and later on, it's a complete disaster. And then I'm gonna just stamp my black eyeshadows on top of my contour. For the lower lid, I'm gonna do the same, but with a little bit different brush. I love that this makeup look comes together really quickly because you need to layer a shape of your pencil. Then blend this out a little bit and you're good to go. Then we have Cool Tone Brown, and she's like literally patting the color with a brush. I guess we're gonna do a mix of both, but I feel like, yeah, we're gonna just do a mix of both. And I feel like this brown cool tone shade goes specifically in the center of the lid. Blending in the outer corner. She grabs her fingers and the creamy stick or creamy pencil, and then she's just like literally placing this in the shape of the outer corner to create this messy makeup look. She has some gloss on top. I don't have a special gloss for lids, because if I top it with a regular gloss, then my eyeshadows are not gonna survive. They're just gonna crease instantly. That's why we're gonna skip this step. I don't really want to grab a lot of the color, a little bit. That's why I'm just patting the finger and then get in this area. If you want to add a little bit more glossiness, you can do something similar in the inner corner. And I'll coat my lashes with mascara. Extra mascara dots like that. I'll do my lipstick first. This is Vivienne Sabo, I guess. Vivienne Sabo 401. Really pretty nude rosy shade. I'm gonna outline my lips now. And I have e.l.f. This is what color Neutral, and let me dab a couple times like that. And then if you have any paper, kiss it one time. So we're gonna take off the glossiness. And here it is, this grunge look. I'm gonna change real quick. We're gonna conclude the video. Well, I tried my best to recreate 90s makeup look and hairstyle. Probably a little bit of a leather dress. Why not? And choker, iconic choker 90s. You're gonna be kidding me. This is pretty much it, guys. I love it so much. I'd say that probably for 90s it was more popular to put on some lip gloss on top, but like we're recreating some random, okay, not random, we're recreating some of makeup looks, and I wanted to follow a step-by-step sort of tutorial. That is pretty much it. I hope I'm gonna see you in my next video, guys. Love you all. See you next time. Bye bye.